Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel.
Two Brothers Outdoors and Tilly.
And Tilly, who's upset still because she can't get down here with us. Alright guys, this is going to be round 2 with this hemlock order. We went up and retrieved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 great looking logs.
12 footers.
12 footers. I think this will complete what we need. Hopefully. And we won't find any shakes. Alright guys, we kind of pressed for time here. We got to get this order done. So let's get
Sawing.
sawing.
Should we tow this up, you think?
No fooling around tonight.
What do you think? You think we should tow board it?
Yeah, I think we should tow board it. Let me get something lifted up with.
Yep. No, don't even look at that. That's my new shovel. Get your eyeballs off of that.
What happened to your old shovel?
We tried doing the last one with the shovel. I know. You bet.
All right.
Let's measure it.
Now we measure it. Let's just go with our gut.
All right. You think we should have?
Lock it in. Here. Lock that baby in. Don't need the little dog.
All right. Scoop like this. Scoop like that. All right. Where's your
All right, guys, warming the mill up, and then we'll get rolling. All right, he's gonna rip off 4/4 pieces till he gets down to his mark. Here we go.
That's like running a gauntlet. Snowboard and pull her end up on her back. Just snowboard it up on her back. Right up the way. This one? Yeah. One. All right.
All this sawdust over there on the other side is starting to look like a sawmill.
Let's start exactly 4/4. Go across. Huh?
Put this over there at the board.
Then don't you want to go from the other side, widen it up a little bit?
Nope.
let's get a straight edge on it.
Okay. See how much you got when you get the edge off of it. You may roll it. If you got enough, you may roll it, but you roll off the other end.
So you want me to go this side edge or this side?
Just work it down 1 inch at a time.
1 inch at a time?
Yeah.
4/4?
Yep. All right, we're gonna cut a flitch alongside that cant till it gets down to 8 inches, and then we'll move it off the mill.
Let's give it a quarter on the other side.
Yeah. Let's do it over here now.
Three-quarters, right?
Yep. 4/4. Cut that at 8 inches.
That's more there, don't you?
Now move the dog. Dog. That's gonna make it tight. That's like this.
stacked, aren't they?
Yep.
How many we got?
9. This will be 10.
How many we got left? You already got the 4x4s, right? Yeah. 35 of those. 35.
Okay. All right, guys. That's the way it's supposed to. Tilly, stop! Stop!
Too serious? You got your what? What are you doing?
All right, guys. That's the way it's supposed to go with hemlock log. We got 10 boards out of that one. 10 nice boards. No cracks, no shakes, no red rot, no nothing. That's a perfect log. All right, so we got another one right here. It looks perfect, and we're going to cut 1/8 out of this one as well, but that's going to be on the next video. If you're not a subscriber to our channel, there's a reminder. Hit that subscription button at the end of this video.
Thumbs up, guys. We appreciate each and every single one of them. You wouldn't believe what they do to our channel. It makes it go crazy. So you guys have been going great on them. Keep smashing that like button. We appreciate it. Notifications bell. You do not want to miss any of our future videos. If you do, Rick picked 10 videos for you guys to go back and watch on our playlist.
And hey, if you like our videos, share them with your friends and your family. Share them on Twitter, X, whatever you want to call it.
X, Twitter, Facebook,
Get them out out there for us.
Instagram,
Get them out there for us.
FaceTime, whatever you guys want to share it on.
All right, guys. Thanks a lot for coming along with us. And until the next one, which will be in about 3 minutes, but it'll be another couple days for you guys, we will catch you later.
Bye-bye now.